Hi, I'm Tori, and today I'm going to show you how to enter a safety incident into Sage Construction Management. I am on the home page. I'm going to go to Projects. You can select your project here or the hyperlink below. Scroll down to QC and Safety and click Safety Incidents. Here, you're going to go to Actions and Add Manually. Project number will be put in for you. The prime contract will be put in for you as well. Incident date, you need to put the incident time and location. Recorded by will be you, and it will put it in for you. Incident description. You can put in your safety violation. Corrective action, and then you can check if you lost time due to this or no. Click Next. You can add files here, add them or link existing, or you can skip it and finish. Once you are here, you can scroll down. You can add and import items for personal injuries. Same thing for property and equipment damages. You can add or import witnesses and download your files. You can also click these to see the safety violations or the corrective actions. To edit those, you just press Edit. And that is how you add a safety incident in Sage Construction Management.